Good evening, everyone. It is May 4th, 2017. We are doing 2017 Leaf Metal Hockey 2-box break number 1. Random hit, and it is a guaranteed hit. So, yeah, I know, Brian. I was saying that I think in the order form, I think you might have wrote Sun instead of Done. I just copied and pasted the order form, but I know I know Brian Dunn, yeah. Alrighty, so this is a random hit and it's a guaranteed hit. So what we're gonna do here is I'll showcase the hits first, then we'll come back and roll the dice, randomize these list of customers in here, then we'll randomize the list of hits. So I'll manually type in the hits, and then we'll go here to the spreadsheet. And after the randomization, whatever card you match up with is the card you'll get. So there's 12 boxes available. So here's a fresh case. Leaf Metal Hockey, 76 of 200, 12 boxes per case. So we're doing 2 boxes here per breaks. We'll have 6 breaks of this. I did put up number 2 already in the store. If you guys want to get another one going, but let's see how the first one goes. Usually everybody needs to just see how the first one goes. So I'll just do this. I'll just stack them. Alrighty. We'll just leave them like this. And I'll number them. Yeah. Seven, 8, 10, 11. There it is. So you guys can see all the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so let's generate 2 of these boxes. First box generated is box number 5. So we'll go box 5 here. We'll generate 1 more box. 7. Box 7 is generated. So this box up here. So we're going to be doing number 7 and number 5. The rest of these boxes will be for future breaks. I did put another one in the store if you guys want to run one back. We only have 1 case today, so this is all we have to work with today. So let me showcase these hits now. There's like 2 to 3 Jack Eichels, 2 to 3 Nolan Patricks, and Joe Velinos in every case now. And there's 1 hot box where it's all autographs. So we'll see how that one goes. Oh, it's not taped. So the next one, guys, we'll be able to do a hit draft. This one I'm going to keep it random hit, okay? Everybody has to agree on it. And if one person doesn't, then we can't do it. Alright. So we'll keep one open. So we'll go with this side first. Alright, so first autograph is Luis Phillip. Right here. 5 of 20. Remember, I don't know most of these guys, so give me a break. Austin Pratt. Autograph. Next one. Sean Element. That's a great name. No numbering on that. Jacob Paquette. Or Paquette. That is a 6 of 7. All right, nice low number there. 6 of 7. Nice one. We have Vision Quest, Maxime Comtois. That's a nice one right there. Oh, that is a jersey number, right? It was number 6. He's a good player right here. For a possible first-round pick in upcoming draft. Right, how many hits is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got two more. We have a printing plate 1 of 1. Joe Velino. Nice. So that'll be a horn for whoever gets this card. Nice printing plate 1 of 1. Joe Velino with some ink. Actually, you know what? This is the hot box. I was about to say that, right? These are all autographs. All right, last card out of this box. We have Lords of Hockey, Raymond Bourque. Oh, it's only numbered autographs. Oh, well, whatever. We're all learning here. All right, nice. That was a pretty solid 1 box. Let's do the next one. Here's another one right there. Arnaud. Jordy. Yamamoto. 2 of 7. He has first-round talent and has a chance to go pretty high in the upcoming 2017 NHL Draft. Next one. Here's a Yamamoto again, Winter's Future. And that is another 2 of 7. Wow, so 2 of 7s right here. Alright, next one. We have a printing plate, 1 of 1, signature, and it is Curtis Joseph. Nice. The Toronto Centennial season autograph, magenta plate, 1 of 1. Nice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we got 2 more to go. Jack Eichel. 17 of 25. Did I count that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a card up here. I was about to say, I was like, I'm missing one. This one was stuck up top, guys. Alexi. That is a 5 of 15. Alright, so we'll leave it like that. Alrighty, guys. So that was a showcasing of the hits. So now I'm going to quickly pause the video. I'll manually type in these hits into the randomizer, then we'll come back, randomize the list of names and the hits, and we'll see who gets what. So stick around, guys. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. Just finished putting in all the hits into the randomizer. So here it is right here. Starting with Luis Phillip all the way down to Alexi. So let's roll the dice. 3 and a 2. That's 5 times. So we're going 5 times on the list of names first. Yeah, no Nolan Patrick's. Yeah, so we got 1 Jack Eichel. And a 1-on-1 printing plate of Joe Velino, so that's good. All right, so go 5 times on the list of names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was a 5, right? Yep, 5th and final time. Alrighty, after 5 times, Josh, you're at the top. Todd Reardon, last spot emoji, you're at the bottom. Alrighty, we'll enlarge that right after this. So let's go 5 times now on the list of hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and final time. Alrighty, guys. After 5 times, and it was a 5, right? Yep. 5 times. Curtis Joseph, printing plate magenta, 1 of 1 is at the top. Austin Pratt auto is at the bottom. So we know where that Curtis Joseph's going to now. Let's see what everybody else is going to get. Josh D, there you go, man. Curtis Joseph, printing plate, 1 of 1. Brian Dunn, even though it says Sun, you got the Sean Elliman auto. Andrew, you got the Yamamoto Winter's Future auto, 2 of 7. Doesn't mean it's garbage, man. This guy's projected to be a #1 pick, man. Joe F, you got the Raymond Bork auto. Todd, you got the Yamamoto auto at 2 of 7. Andrew got the Winter's Future. Andrew got the Jordy auto. Paul got the Arnaud auto. Andrea, you got the Luis Phillip auto, 5 of 20. John, you got the Jack Eichel, 17 of 25. Todd, oh, you have the Paquette auto, 6 of 7. Michael Van Wy, there you go, man. You got the Joe Velino black printing plate, 1 of 1. John P, you got yourself the Alexi auto, 5 of 15. Jesse, you got the Maxime Comtois Vision Quest auto. Nice, that's a good player right there. And Todd Reardon, last by Mojo, you get the Austin Pratt auto. Alrighty, guys. So that was the break. That was a 2-box break random hit of Leaf Metal Hockey. Number 2's in the store. Jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.